In this video, I'll show you how you can easily enhance your favorite videos to 4K resolutions using the Video Enhancer tool in the UniConverter 16. Hello everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. This is a truly easy task and will only take one click. But before we begin, be sure to have the UniConverter 16 on your computer topped up with some AI credits so you could get its full potential. You can grab the software from videoconverter.wondershare.com. After you have installed it on your Windows or Mac computer, open it up. The Video Enhancer tool is right on the home interface, but you'll also find it within the Video Tools section. So click on it. Now the next step is importing the video you'd like to enhance. In my case, I'll import the Squid Game's TikTok edit as it's only 1080p and some parts are even blurry. Now on the right side, you can see the features. We're going to use the Video Enhancer, which will improve the overall clarity and quality of the video, and then we're going to use the upscaler, which will give it our desired 4K resolution. Let's do it. First, simply click on the Video Enhancer feature. Choose your output folder, and then click on Export. In the exporting window, you'll see a short preview and the progress bar. When the tool finishes the process, go back and click on the Replace Files button and choose the one that you've just exported. Then click on the Upscaler feature this time. Down here, choose your upscaling ratio. I'll choose 2 times to turn this 1080p video to 4K. And then I just click on Export again. Once it's done, you'll have your enhanced Squid Game video. Or at least I'll have it, you'll have yours. Alright, that's how you enhance videos to 4K. So this was a very quick tutorial video on the Video Enhancer tool in the UniConverter 16. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.